శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Chaturmukha Brahma and all other Devatas visiting all the divine places of Kailasa Parvatam, and there is a Alakapuri. There is one beautiful park which is known as Sugandham. From there all Saugandhika lotus, the Padmas comes out. Now Devatas looking at all those beautiful lotus flowers, and there are two rivers, Nanda Alaka, Tirthapada Pada Ambhoja Rajasa Ativa Pavane. Paramatmas, Devadeva, Govindas, Sriharis, the Pada Padma Dhuli, the dust from the divine feet of Srimannarayana. Because of that dust, and with that dust, these two rivers got purified, got sacred. Such sacred rivers are Nanda, Alaka. Now Devatas are looking at those two rivers, and Devatas have taken bath in those two rivers. The water in those two rivers are very pure and very sweet. Elephants, even if they are not thirsty, they will keep on drinking these waters from these two rivers. And because Devatas have taken bath in these two rivers, the kunkuma from their bodies fell into these rivers, and because of that, these rivers turned out into yellowish color. Tarahema Maharatna Vimana Seta Sankulam. Now Devatas are looking at the Yaksharajas, Kuberas, Alakapattanam, in which there are palaces made out of silver, there are palaces made out of gold, there are palaces made out of pearls and gems, and all these palaces are very close to each other. All the Yaksha, the divine girls, they are going here and there, and they are enjoying on the terraces of all those palaces. Those palaces itself looking like very glowing clouds, and those girls on those palaces are looking like lightning. And such beautiful places, all the palaces are seen by these Devatas. And then these Devatas have reached a place where such a huge tree, Vatavruksham, is there. Like that Maitreya teaching to Vidura. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.